So you guys had sent me a couple of questions on how to make these spinners. I know some of you have already purchased our kits. These kits are ready to go. All the glass is already pre-cut, and as you can see there, it comes with a little spinner already inside. So basically all you have to do is assemble. But a few of you ask, what's the easiest way to do this? Well, let me show you so that you can get it to look very similar to this one, whether you have an opened inside or you have one that is closed. And this not only works for hearts, but you can also make like Christmas trees and all sorts of other little fun things. Okay, so let's get started based on this kit, or if you cut your own, I'll show you how to put it together. We've come up with a way to make it maybe a little bit easier for you. So let's start. Let me put these to the side. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get all your glass out. You're going to foil all the pieces, and then you're going to tin them, just like I have here. And what you'll end up with is you'll end up with 6 of these pieces, like I have 4 here, and here's my 5, and here's my 6. Okay? So first of all, just put all those together just like I have here, so you end up with 6 pieces. Once you have your 6 pieces, then go ahead and put 2 of them together, such as I did here, to create a little heart. And this is just laid flat on your workspace, and you just solder them together. Just a little solder there, and then I flipped it over and added a little bit more solder there. It doesn't need a lot because we're just kind of tacking it together right now, okay? Now here's the part where you all have questions, or where it becomes a little confusing, if not confusing, frustrating maybe is a better word for you, because you all want to get the angle of the next pieces correctly. And some of you put it together and then find out you're too flat or you're up too high, and then the other angle when you need to put it in, like so. They don't all come together perfectly. Okay? So let me make things way easier for you. We have a new jig. There you go. This right here should make things so much easier for you. And we have them for sale now. You are welcome to grab one. At the same time, you grab your little heart spinner kit just in time for Valentine's Day. And let me show you how you're going to put this together. So you're still going to do all of these steps right here. And then once you've done this, you're going to take this whole heart upside down, and you're just going to pop it in a slot, just like I did here. So you can see it just like that. Okay? Now it's going to make the assembly of the other 2 sides so much easier, because again, you just pop that into the slot. I'm going to tilt it up so you guys can see it here, and tilt it up, and then there you go. All you have to do now is set it up just like this, tack it in place, just like I'm going to do here in a minute, and then we'll do the other side. So this little jig makes it so much easier. So I'm going to just hold that. You get it where I want it, right there and right there. And I'm just going to hang on to it for a sec while I get my solder together. Yeah, this was kind of a spur of the moment video. Alright, and then we're just going to do a little tack solder right there. Done. And now you can let go, and we're going to do a little tack solder down there. Done. And that's one side, just like that. All we did was a quick little tack solder just to hold it in place. Now you can grab your other piece, and you're going to put it in. And again, we're just going to tack it in place. Let me get rid of my little solder blob that I got going here. Okay, yeah, you want to have a good flat adhesion there without any solder being in the way. And I got a blob on the bottom too. I'm not doing this very well. Alright, there you go. And again, we're going to add a little bit of flux at the top and at the bottom. Alright, and now again, same thing. I'm just holding it in place. Again, we're going to add a little tack solder right there. And one at the bottom. Done. Look at there. Now you know that they're perfectly symmetrical, they're at the right angle. Okay, you put it back into place, and then you just flip this around, and then you do the exact same thing to the other side with your two remaining pieces. And I'm going to go ahead and pack those in place one more time just to show you how simple this is. Make sure I add my flux at the bottom. Right, hold it in place just like that. Grab some solder. Add a dab there. Another at the bottom. Done. Make sure I don't have a blob in the way. No blobs there. Alright, and my last piece goes in. How quick and easy was that? So if you want all your pieces to fit together symmetrically without having to solder and unsolder, because I know how it goes, I've done it myself, where you didn't get your angle exactly correct and your heart or whatever it is you're putting together is all wonky and lopsided. This right here will take all those issues out of the equation. Okay, I'm just going to solder just a little bit more to make sure when I go to pick it up nothing falls apart. Alright, so this is just a quick little tack. Look at there. Nice and symmetrical. Now you can go in and you can finish soldering all your seams on the inside here. Make it beautiful. Add your spinner. Okay, the only thing I suggest that I did not do, because I wasn't going to do it on this one, is if you do have to hang anything on the inside, before even getting to this step here with the jig, go ahead and while you have your whole heart flat on your board like I did, that's a really good time to go add your hanger or whatever you're going to put in the middle, such as we did here on this one. We just added a little red butterfly. Okay, but once you have that in place, then get out your jig, flip it upside down, and you can go to town putting it all together just like that. Fits right back into place because they are all exactly symmetrical. So if this works for you, grab yours today. We have them available at PeaceLuvGlass.com. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to shoot me an email. I look forward to hearing back from all of you. Thanks again, and have a groovy day.
Won't you mistrust? Love's come behind.